What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test bunch of cooking gadgets over the campfire. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here hamburger grill. So very simple, opens up like that. I got a couple of hamburgers. Put it right in, look at that, fits so good, wow. Luke wants some hamburger, that's for sure. That is very satisfying right here. And then this right here locks up too, so that way it doesn't open automatically. Now we put it over the fire. Something like that. You can put it right into the fire or into the coals. And we leave it there. And let's put to the test the next gadget. For the next gadget I got a couple of Panini sandwich maker right here. I'm just gonna do grilled cheese over the fire. This is Panini press right here. And this is pie iron. So let's see how it works. So then what we're going to do, put piece of bread, put piece of cheese in the middle. Obviously you can cook different stuff in it. Same thing right here, bread and cheese. Going to make a couple of grilled cheeses. Boom. Obviously you can make a panini out of it if you get the right bread. But this one I like because it locks way better. And this one locks the same way. Same but different gadgets. And then take off the extra bread out here. Good. Now we put it over the fire. This one as well. This one is way heavier. Let me move it over. There you go. That way we can actually set it down. The only problem with this panini maker, the handle is way shorter than those ones. I like those ones way better. Next I have here over the fire pan, but that way you can cook it from far away. As you can see, you can make pancakes, eggs, bacon, whatever. So it's just like a regular pan out here. And the handle is wooden on the back, very nice, and far away you can do. We're gonna spray some oil. Just grab a couple of eggs, crack them. Nice. Second one. Boom. One scramble, one non-scramble. Okay, and then you can safely hold it over the fire. But I kind of wish that I didn't have to hold it. If I let it go, as you can see, it will try to spill over. But you know what? I have a gadget for that too. I'm going to pull out a gadget that holds these gadgets. For example, I'm going to put it in here. Let's see if it will hold it. And then put this on a fire. And as you can see, I can adjust it. That looks good. Maybe I'll move that panini bag thing so that way it doesn't spill over if it have to go. There you go, look at that. That panini things are probably smoking, burning. But this is nice, makes sense, right? You can make it lower, higher, rest it like that. Also you can put hot dogs over the fire, different ways, really nice. Okay, this is burning right here. Woo, that looks so good. Okay, I'm doing too many things at once. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, a little bit burnt, but on this side looks good. Let's see what else we got. That grilled cheese, pretty sure is done. Let's take this off. Look at that, it's burned on one side. Oh well. Oh yeah, I might have to redo it. Whoops. Yeah, kinda a minus because you cannot see what it looks like. You'd have to check on it quite often. Oh well, let's try to make another one. This is why this burger maker is so much better, because I could actually see how well it's cooking. But at least the egg is looking so good. Check this out. I like that a lot. This combination of both gadgets are so good. Lift it up if you have to, put it back. Nice. Check this out. Cook the egg perfectly. It's pretty nice. Okay, maybe I should do one gadget at a time. Take two on a panini sandwich. Try it out. Put it in and close it, then lock it. And then remove the excess. And then we're gonna put it in the fire. Let's see how well it does. Because fire is so hot, probably wouldn't even take that long. Okay, let's flip it. Okay. Take it off pretty quickly this time. Oh wow, look at that. Let me try to take it out. I should have brought the knife with me. This is why it's called a pie, because it seals up the edges, so that way you have cheese inside there melted, and perfect grilled cheese. I love it. Really good gadget. For the next gadget, I got here over the fire waffle maker. Let's spread it all the way. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe a lot more. There you go. And then use this to lock it in and close it. Whoops, spilled it a bit. It's okay. I have never made waffle over the fire. Have to keep it kind of flat so that way it doesn't leak out. But you know what, that fire is so hot, I don't think it's going to take that long anyways. Easy to flip it, look at that. Some of it spilled out. I'll leave it for the minute and check on it. Let's flip it over one more time. Oh yeah, a bit longer for sure. Okay, let's open it up. Oh wow, look at that, it's almost done. Kind of got stuck on one side, but it's okay. I'd say it's almost perfect. One piece got stuck out here, but yeah, that waffle is definitely done. Okay, over the fire waffle. That's actually really good. And crunchy. You know what? Thumbs up from me for this gadget. First time. Obviously, once I practice, it'll be a lot better. For the next gadget, I got here Campfire fork, and look how many functions there is. You can make a little burrito right here. I don't know, some kind of ice cream, hot dogs, little shish kebab. Perfect. This is overall probably the best Campfire fork. Got myself few hot dogs, and you know, it's cool. I can lay it on the table and put through all my hot dogs and not worry about them falling over. That is so cool. Also, they're not touching the dirty table or dirty floor, whatever you're cooking on. As you can see, this outside table is pretty dirty. Boom. Now I can set it on a log over the fire just like that, and it's not touching anything. It's still on a really hot coals, and very easy. I don't even have to hold it. I love that for the hot dogs. So far the best. While hot dogs are cooking, I'm going to put to the test popcorn popper over the fire. Very easy to open it. Come off like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna pour a little bit of popcorn. Whoops, that might be too much. Close it and lock it, and then we put it over the fire in a minute. By the way, I started doing a second waffle because it was just too good. This is kind of hot after a while. Let me flip it over, maybe it's easier to open it. Yep, there you go. Oh yeah, that waffle is almost cooked. There you go, this is a nice waffle right here. Way better this time. So yeah, you can make a really nice waffle out of this. Let's take this off. Hot dogs are cooking really good. I say this is well done. Usually you probably want to flip it over and hold it a little bit on this side as well. And this is perfect. I can hear oil is sizzling, so popcorn should start popping. I cannot hear any popping at all. Oh, there you go. Just a little bit. I don't know if it's popcorn or just oil. I think it's popcorn. That's popping is so differently. Yeah, it's definitely popping now. I'm gonna remove it from the flame as much. Those coals are really hot. As soon as they stop popping, I'll take it out. I think that's it. Let's see what happened in here. Oh, nice. It's hot. And guess what? We have here nice popcorn. Some of it burned. Should I take off a little bit sooner? Not the same popcorn you would do in a microwave or whatever. But again, you did it over the fire. Pretty cool. But honestly, I probably will never use this gadget again. That popcorn is a little bit tough. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.